the 1900Z, giving fairly exceptional performance as you'll see in just a sec when it flips its nose and gets solid. As the wheels go up into a very steep climb, probably at about 3 times the angle of what you normally do with passengers. To a steep left turn. Landing and recognition lights on. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, at 248 knots, maximum airspeed for the Beechcraft 1900D. Up into a turn, up into a climb, my apologies. Handling display, very steep left to right turns. Undercarriage and flaps down. 45 degrees left to right turn in front of us. Into a climbing turn as the wheels stuck away. Flaps up, heading back out over the central city. Maximum speed, the one before you start. Give an idea with maximum reverse, propellers going back into reverse pitch and full braking, how quickly the 1900D can stop. All the way back to the